and see if they can go up the ranks, where they won by 2 points now. And that is the start of the game. And coming in to raid first is Bhuvan Sanjeev of Katakudi Sports. And that was a very, very quick point. He has taken barely 8 seconds into the game.
मैच की शुरुआत यहाँ पर और फिर से देखेंगे बहुत आसान सा यहाँ पॉइंट दिया है.
Got converted to a tie hold.
यकीनन मरिमुत्तुसेल्वम यहाँ पे कट्टाकुडी क्लब की तरफ से डू और डाई रेड लगाने के लिए आए. सीधे गए लॉबी में. इसका सीधा सा अर्थ ये है कि एक टच पॉइंट मिलेगा और कट्टाकुडी क्लब के लिए चौथा पॉइंट. इजी पॉइंट.
Definitely, Ganganath is, like we have said several times, he is a sole raider for them. And in fact, it looks like he's the only person trying to pick up points there. And this time he's dashed. They have scored 103 points as a team in this league so far in Pool A. And of that, Ganganath has played up. So these kind of mistakes is something that is basic and fundamental and should be avoided.
Absolutely, I agree on that, Aparna, for sure. But then they are not going to make, and they will be coming back playing the booster round. And I think this is one good week where they can practice their skill and come back stronger in the booster round.
They have to use the upcoming week very wisely. In fact, if they have to make that comeback, there is a lot that they need. Back again to pick up points is Ganganath. Plays with pluck because he knows and he's confident about his skills. A tall player there reaching out. Nice reaching hand touch over there. Picks up one more point.
1 point. KR Sports. Number 5 out.
There is somebody who has scored 50% of points than his team has scored. That's a nice positive. You can see his eyes are on the right side, and that's the falling hand touch. Unable to make contact, but
Bonus
then
point,
he has
KR
gone too
Sports.
deep.
Raider out. 1 point. Katakudi Sports.
A bonus, but he has been succumbed to pressure.
You can see the replay of what happened now.
Absolutely. और फिर से एक बार देखेंगे टैकल पॉइंट्स की बात करेंगे. केआर स्पोर्ट्स अभी तक कोई टैकल पॉइंट नहीं मिला है, लेकिन कट्टाकुडी 2 टैकल पॉइंट्स.
And fortunately, there is a revival. 2 points they have got. Bit of a confusion here. So you can see the dash. He should have covered the Ease My Trip Kamal moment there for KR Sports. Great revival.
Absolutely, and great revival as well as a very essential revival, and he's running out.
Raider out. Super tackle. 2 points. KR Sports.
And the Ooties Goodies super tackle has finally happened, and that too in favor of KR Sports. It's very heartening to see. Yes, there is a bit of a jersey pull over here, but that's not been addressed. There is a timeout. And just like that, KR Sports in the last 2-3 incidents have picked up points and look like they are back in the game. So just a 5-point difference separates them. Great efforts. Surya Prakash this time for KR Sports coming in. 4 people on the mat. Always a tough situations to pick up point here. But that's what happened. And we had Vineet Munuchami ready over there to pick the ankles of KR Sports and dispatch a player to the bench. Go to advanced. Also said to fall back when necessary.
Absolutely, yes. Dinesh यहाँ पे आए हैं. और एस दिनेश क्या यहाँ पे इस गैप को कम कर पाएंगे? अंदर तक गए, बोनस मुझे लगता है मिला होगा। और फ्रंटल ब्लॉक आया है, क्या मध्य रेखा को कर गए हैं। यहाँ पे सुपर रेड होना चाहिए, वेलमल सुपर रेड। देखना है कितने खिलाड़ी आउट होते हैं।
This is not a Velamal Super Raid, Navneet.
KR Sports.
This is a super raid, Velamal Super Raid.
66.
Wow, that is brilliant. 4 people out.
1 out.
Presence of mind, spot on. Finding the gaps, check, ease my trip, Kamal moment here. You can see that ankle hold, frontal block, and over and above that, he went over the defender to reach, and those 4 points. But they have delivered with 4 points in return. Lovely comeback.
जी कमाल का कमबैक। और मुझे एक वक्त के लिए अपर्णा ऐसा लगा था कि देयर वाज अ बोनस पॉइंट एज वेल। आई एम नॉट टू श्योर बट इट सीम्ड दैट हिज लेग हैड क्रॉस्ड दैट बोनस लाइन, बट देन नेवरदलेस
1 point.
4 points
Katakuri
in the
Sports.
kitty.
Number 4 out.
What a beautiful moment for them, Navneet.
Substitutions. Katakuri Sports.
Because now the super
Number
raid,
33,
before that the super
16 out.
tackle, so that and keep their head and play within the lines and make sure they make very little mistakes. Another super tackle situation here, and
1
Ganganath
point.
has managed
KR
to pick
Sports.
one off this
Number
time.
49 out. Half time. Change the
जी
ball.
फिर से देखेंगे गंगानाथ वहां पे एक टच पॉइंट्स के साथ इस हाफ को क्लोज करते हुए। क्या शानदार खेल हुआ है, और जिस तरीके से खेल हुआ है।
And here is a match summary at
And not just sons. I mean, you're somebody's daughter, Aparna, and you're also celebrating Mother's Day.
oh yes, thank you very much Paras and team
2
for
plus 2
doing this, and
points.
Navneet,
KR Sports. All out.
to the entire
Katakuri
team of
Sports.
Yuva Kabaddi series. That was a beautiful those opportunities, and that is important, and that's how you keep the scoreboard ticking. Wherever the opportunity is, they have to make sure to use it.
Absolutely.
Red
और
Asset,
यहाँ
bonus
पे
plus 2 points.
यहाँ पे क्या
Red Asset, bonus plus 3 points. Katakuri Sports. Jersey number 14 also out. 14.
It's raining super raids, so you can see again what happened, how that super raid happened. Velamal super raid number 2, and both were another touch point. Look at the scores. I'm loving it, folks. I'm sure you are too. Ramkumar comes in for Katakuri Sports. Navneet, what do you think is going to happen?
I mean, I would love to see KR Sports winning this game, but then
Bonus
Ram
plus
Kumar
2
has
points.
taken a point.
Katakuri Sports.
Oh,
Jersey number 14
that's a Velamal
and
Super
26
8.
out.
That is a cracker of a raid. We didn't
Perhaps.
expect that one. Ankle hold there, and then on the way he escaped. Did he get a kick point as well? Yes, he did. And that kick was players here and come there to support all these young ones on the mat.
जी राम कुमार ने सुपर 10 लगाया है और
1 point.
लगभग
Katakuri
थंडरस
Sports.
20 के
Number
आसपास
16
पहुंच
out.
रहे हैं। 15 पॉइंट उन्होंने कमाया है, 10 टच पॉइंट, 5 वहां पे बोनस भी मिला है। और लगातार केआर स्पोर्ट्स यहाँ पे प्रयासरत, उनका जो खाता है वो 28 पे पहुंच गया है। इसी बीच गंगानाथ वो इंश्योर कर रहे हैं कि हर बार जाए, हर बार एक पॉइंट लाए, और इस मैच में केआर स्पोर्ट्स को वो पिछड़ने नहीं दे रहे हैं। राम कुमार यहाँ पे रेड लगाने के लिए आए हैं। 6 खिलाड़ी मौजूद, 3 चेन है यहाँ पे। अंदर जाएंगे तो पकड़े जाएंगे, लेकिन
1,
नहीं।
2, 3. 3 points. Katakuri Sports.
एक और वेलमल सुपर रेड।
Number 26, 14 and 4.
It's raining super raids, and how this is getting really exciting. You can see what happened there. That's a block, and then there's another person coming to help with the dash. Hustling defensive effort over there, and that paid out well for them. And this time Ram Kumar, while it could have been a ooty goody super tackle moment, Ram Kumar is
point,
trying to
Katakuri
dispatch
Sports. Number 11
Katakuri My apologies, KR Sports to the bench in entire.
Kudi Sports said, "We are the boss here," and they have turned the table in last couple of minutes. Score is 36-30. Can he bring some revival?
Bonus
No.
point, KR Sports. 1 plus 2, 3 points. Kattagudi Sports. All out, KR Sports.
जी हाँ, फिर से ये जो डिफरेंस है ये 10 अंकों का हो गया है। कट्टाकुडी 41, KR स्पोर्ट्स है 31, लेकिन
2
गंगानाथ
points. KR Sports.
2 पॉइंट
Number
लेकर
1
गया
and
है,
66
वापसी
out.
करने का कोशिश करेंगे। आखिरी के लगभग 7.5 मिनट का खेल बचा है।
Substitutions, KR Sports. Please come. Number 1 in, 26 out. Turn.
पर डिपेंडेंट है। और राम कुमार की बात करेंगे, गंगानाथ की बात करेंगे। ये दोनों खिलाड़ी आज बिल्कुल चढ़ करके खेले हैं, लेकिन आखिरी के कुछ लम्हे बचे हैं, 30 सेकंड। ये दोनों खिलाड़ी 20 से ज्यादा पॉइंट 120 आज कंप्लीट किया है। राम कुमार और गंगानाथ ने जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम।
1 point, Kattagudi Sports. Number 4 out.
Both these players continue to score at will. A beautiful kick enforced over there in the right corner.
So that should be the last raid. Kattagudi Sports 46, KR Sports 40. It is to be seen, Aparna, that whether he gets 2 points and
Bonus plus
now
2
he'll
points.
snatch all the
Kattagudi
points.
Sports. Jersey number 9 and 1 out.
A Velamal
There was a
super raid on
possibility.
the final raid. Oh my God, Navneet, this is
Absolutely.
really quite a
Match
bit.
over.
Absolutely, and the difference between the two sides were 6 points, and with that Velamal Super 8, the difference. जी हाँ।